Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the board, please help me subscribe, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2005 Ford Explorer, the Sport Trac XLT. This one's a truck 4.0. Right now it has a code for the O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. So sensor 1 would be before the cat and sensor 2 would be after the cat. So for this one, firing order is 1, 2, 3 on the right side, which is the passenger side. 4, 5, 6 is on the driver side, so that's bank 2. So sensor 1 is gonna be on bank 1, sensor 1, which is on the right side upstream before the cat. And for this one, I'm only fixing the O2 sensor for the customer because they just want to fix the O2 sensor. I'm not worrying about the fuel rail pressure sensor, so just the O2 sensor only. Now you can see on the right side I have no access to the O2 sensor connector at all. There's no room for me to reach down, so it's really hard, so I gotta go from the side. So right now I'm under the car. This is sensor 2, this is after the cat. So the cat is right here, so sensor 2 will be after the cat, guys, right there. That's for sensor 2. And sensor 1 is before the cat, which is kind of hard to show you guys, but it's right here. That's the sensor right there, sensor 1, the front right side of the wheel. I took the wheel out to get access to the sensor 1 oxygen sensor. So this is sensor 1, and for the connector I disconnected. It's a little bit hard to get to, so you're gonna press on this tab in the back right here, press on this and pull back. The connector is located right there. I don't know if you can see it, but let me zoom in. Right there, that's right behind the head. That's the connector, and it's really hard to get to. I have small hands, so I reach in from back, press this tab, pull back. O2 is very rusty, and the exhaust is very rusty. I sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in there to break loose the rust a little bit, and I used the O2 socket right here, 22mm. There you go. Put your ratchet in, break it out. My old O2 sensor out. Looks pretty rusty and bad. And I got my new one right here. That's the part number, and make sure the connector is the same thing. The O2 is slightly different. It's a different design, but it'll work. And there's also part number on here too. I don't know. It's kind of, there you go. That's the part number on the O2. Make sure you put anti-seize on here. Make sure it don't get stuck next time you remove it. Reinstalling the new O2 sensor. So the hard part is not this part. The hardest part is putting the connector back on the head, the back of the engine. So now I got the O2 back. So the O2 is pretty easy to put back, but the connector right there behind the head right there, which is really hard, but somehow my hand fits through. Hurts like hell though. Put it back though. So this is all on the memory code, the fuel rail, the OBD, torque converter, that's the transmission, and this is the O2. That's on the memory code, the pending code, which pinned down to O2 and the fuel rail sensor. So now I'm gonna clear it. And that should be it. Code is clear. There you go. Turn the car off, key on, start the car. And that should be it for this video, guys. So it's just the O2 sensor, nothing much. That is it for this video. If you guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.